Amid national security issues, some lawmakers have said that the screening of Chinese students entering the country should be made more strict. Mela Les Moras has more.
Several lawmakers expressed support to the Bureau of Immigration's call for urgent interagency action to respond to the alleged increasing number of Chinese students in the country. In a statement, BI Commissioner Norman Tencinco highlighted the importance of immediate joint inspections and regular security assessment of concerned government agencies to avoid threats to our national security. According to House Assistant Majority Leader Jill Bongalon, they welcome initiatives like this to also clear out the controversies being raised against foreign students in the country.
Of course, this is a welcome development, no? Because what is at stake here is our national security. And one of the non-negotiables in our country is our national security. We want to make sure that the screening process of these students who are interested to enter the Philippines and have their education here should go under a very strict process. We want to make sure that these students do not pose a security risk or security threats in our country.
House Assistant Majority Leader Paulo Ortega also agreed with this, and he also called for more stringent screening measures for Chinese students entering the country.
Dapat po yung mga ating national agencies, nakikita din po nila, may projections din po sila, and they should have reasons, or dapat may gathering sila ng facts kung bakit po bakit dito sa Cagayan ang daming influx ng students, something like that.
Earlier, Surigao del Norte Representative Robert Ace Barbers also called for the repeal of Executive Order No. 285 issued by former President Joseph Estrada, which grants the Bureau of Immigration the authority to convert tourist visas to student visas. For Barbers, this particular power could be abused by unscrupulous personnel for monetary gain. Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.